How to use Instagram voice changer. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Instagram voice changer. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first steps first, open up your Instagram. Make sure that it is updated to the latest version. After you do that, just log in into your account. Now tap on the plus icon on the bottom. You will see the plus icon, tap on it, and here you will need to just create a story. So select the story option here, and after you select the story option, what you'll need to do is you'll need to browse through the filters. So just swipe for your filter till the end, and at the end you'll find this option called browse effect. Now simply tap on the browse effect option. After you tap on it, you will see a search icon on the left hand side. Simply tap on the search bar, and after you do that, search for voice changer. So let me just correct the spelling there. Yeah, so after you search for voice changer, you should find the list of voice changers on your effects. So simply search for that, and there you can just select voice effects and use that. And that's basically how you can change voice, or how you can use voice changer on your Instagram. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.